Hello student, today we are going to learn chapter number 9, cooking food. So in this chapter we will learn how we cook food in different ways. So today we will discuss about ways of cooking. So our first way is boiling, then we will talk about steaming, then third is frying, fourth is grilling, roasting, and last one is baking. Okay, these are the ways of cooking food. Through these ways we can cook food, any kind of food. So first we will learn about boiling. Okay, you are seeing how to boil the food through this passage. Deep saucepan, frying pan we use for boiling the food. So when the solid food is heated in water, bubble of hot air move from bottom to the surface, means the process of cooking food is called boiling. So when you see, when we cook cook the food, some water bubbles settle down in the pot, and when the food is cooked, those settle down bubbles come out on the surface. These sign is the food has cooked. Okay, come, in this method we can cook many type of food, just like rice, pulses, meat, vegetable curries are cooked in this way. And also some beverages can be cooked in this method. Tea, coffee are made with boiled water, and milk is also cooked by through this process, boiling. And water is also always we should boil, then used to make drink for fit for drinking. Second, we will talk about steaming. Through this process we can cook many food. You have eat already idli, dhokla, khandvi, rice, momos are cooked by this process is steaming. Through this process we can cook idli, dhokla, khandvi, rice, momos are cooked by steaming. Have you have ever oftentimes seen at your home your mom cook these food through the steaming. Steaming process can be done in these type of utensils: a steamer, a separate utensils for cooking the food. In this pot we can only steam the food. This pot is called steamer. And we can also cook the food through steaming in pressure cooker, or just a small vessel. In a big vessel of water is used to steam the food, means we can use a small vessel and big vessel of water used to steam the food. Okay, come to next point, frying the food. In this process you are seeing frying. This method is called frying, means like uh, puri pakoda, samosa, and french fries, your favorite food, french fries. uh, this method is called frying. Some food are cooked by frying in oil. These needs to buy deep vessel called wok or kadhai. And which utensil is used for this process is called deep vessel, or you can say this pot as like kadhai and wok. And puri, pakoda, samosa, french fries, some fried foods. Deep frying is when food is fried a lot of oil, like pakoda. Shallow frying is when food is cooked in less oil, means when we do shallow frying it is take less oil. Like paratha, eating too much of fried food is not good for healthy, means you bring sometime french fries, and sometime you eat pakoras and puris, not every day. That's why, because these are contain harmful fat. That's why we should avoid deep frying foods, because they contain harmful fat. So the best way to fry food is by stir frying. This method forces food is cooked in very little oil and little oil over high heat. Okay, so we should prefer stir frying food. In this method the oil is used in very little bit. Come to next point, grilling. Grilling is when food is cooked over direct heat is called grilling. This process is called grilling. You seen in the market, and if your mother having a micro oven, then you can see this process is called grilling. Okay, so in this method, the fast way of cooking food can fast you can think na, when the material directly coming to the fire, they can fast very quickly. So it can be done directly on a flame. So in an electric oven or coal oven is called tandoor, and we can cook food as like meat, fish, and even vegetables can be grilled. This method is called grilling. Okay, come to next point, roasting. Roasting is the another way of cooking food. Means in this process our meat, fish, vegetable can be roasted in pot for now oven. Earlier when coal or food burning chulha, you have seen the chulha. This process is called, when we use chulha for cooking the food, this process is called roasting. So food was roasted in hot ashes. These chulha, chapati, puffed rice, cashew nuts, almond, popcorn, and roasted gram are this way is called. In this this is the healthy way of cooking food and does not contain oil. This way does not contain oil, so this way is also cooking the food is the best way. Come to next point, baking. In this process baking is a process of cooking in which food is cooked in an oven, as baking needs very little or no fat. Food cooked in this way is healthy. We bake bread, cake, cookies, vegetable, meat, and fish. Baking process, you eat cake na, cake is also baked by this process. This process is called baking. Baking is the process in which food is cooked in an oven. Not compulsory in oven, we can do in our deep vessels, utensils. So as baking need very little or no fat, cooked in this way food is healthy. Means where the oil is not used in very high amount. These ways are safe way because oil is not containing in so much amount. So baking is also a good method of food for food cooking. So how many points today we have learned? 6 point. 6 point we have learned. Okay, boiling, steaming, frying, grilling, roasting, and last one is baking. So this much topic for today. Tomorrow we will learn preserving. How do we preserve and freezing the food for long time. That's why we do preserve and freezing. Okay, tomorrow we will discuss about freezing and preserving. Okay, have a good day and have a nice day ahead. Thank you.